Hey guys, so I'm going to be playing BioShock again. The only thing is, for some reason, the video stopped, so I had to redo the whole video. But I had to start right here. Anything in here? Sounds wrong. Listen. She's breathing. All right. So. It sounds like she's bleeding. Yeah, I did.
I can't believe you did that. They're all dead.
Yeah, I know.
You killed those people.
Killed those.
You're a monster.
I am a stubborn monster.
What did you think was going to
rocking this devil's den.
What?
Do you understand the expense people went through to keep you locked up in that tower?
Yeah. No.
You think people like that are just going to let you walk away? You're an
Yes.
investment. And you will not be safe until you are far away from here.
Alright. Got
What
it.
do you want from me?
I don't know. One thing I've learned. If you don't draw first,
What? Oh.
you don't get to draw at all.
Yeah, you don't get to draw a photo of, like... You don't get to draw a photo of your bum bum.
Come here. What happened back there? It's not the last of it, is it?
I don't know.
There.
Why, thank you, Elizabeth. I'll repay you. Why doing this? Ah, crap. I'm doing this. Why can't I do it? By doing
Just
this.
get used to it. I've read a thing or two about medicine. I'll do my best to keep you supplied with remedies.
Okay.
If the wounds are deeper, I'll try to keep you on this side of the abyss.
I'm gonna get drunk. Drunk! Drunk! And go on drugs. I wish they had drugs in here. The thing that really make this game...
You want to hold on to this?
Yeah, sure. So anyways, what I was saying, the thing that would really make this game rated M, if there was like a little stripper part that you had to go to, and there's like a lot of strippers there. Should be, eh? First lady! Should be. But yeah, that's what would really make this game rated M. Like a stripper club, and you had to go in there first. And like they show like a lot of strippers in there. That's one thing that would make this game really rated M. Should we go this way? Or should we go this way? This way, because I like right better. Like right better, because right-handed, ugh! I'm just kind of tired right now, so... yeah, I'm tired. Right.
Hey, don't point that at me.
I just learned how to do this. I think I told you in the earlier video. Oh my god! I never saw that in the other episode I did.
Okay, shut up tight. Now, how are we going to get to the airship?
Let me see if I can get that gate open by hand.
Can't. Need Shocky Jock.
If I could find some genuine lockpicks, I might be able to get this door open. I sure saw some interesting things on the other side.
Break battle. Damage there. 9.5%.
Found some money.
Did?
Soldiers Field.
Come on, she was gonna give me money. And then I didn't get
Interest
it.
is a profit having a bunch of carnies and carousels.
The place is themed to acquaint children with national service.
Don't
You
care.
mean the military.
City in the sky. Impossible. The Great Lady of Science shows off her wonders. How did she fly that dark fake fly? So said the little lady. Alright. So that has
The
such.
way he should go, even when he is old.
So, Mrs. Lutice, I mean, not Miss, the sister Lutice,
forcing it open.
Sure, try. Try humping it. Maybe that will work. Alright. So, I think the video might cut in one part. The video cuts, I'm still uploading this.
You unlock this?
Really? That little old lock.
Sorry if it...
Ready.
I already said that, like, in, like, the Halo Reach video that I made. Yeah, that's what I said in the Halo Reach video that I made. About a couple hours ago. Probably like a couple minutes ago, I don't know. From like this video, because like they're both uploaded the same day. Ah, crap, that reminds me, I never...
We found some money. Want it?
Yes, thank you.
What happens if someone finds us?
Nothing.
We tell them we got lost looking for the bathroom.
And that works.
Not usually. No.
I just love how you said that, like, then we're just stuck looking for the bathroom. I just like how you said that. Like, it's like normal, like, oh yeah, like that happened. 5 pigs.
Interesting.
Never mind. And switch to shotgun. Okay. That's what it looks like when you have a... I need locks. I need picks. That's what I tried to say. Yeah, how do you open, like, see, this is the time when I wish you could hack. I mean, sometimes I wish you can't, you wouldn't, and I'm glad that you can't. Then I get mad because, like, when you need picks instead of hacks. I mean, the hacks probably are easy, but I mean, like, still. What is in here? The stupid things about this is that, like, you want to get something from, like, picks. I just said toothpicks. I mean, like, picks. Then once when you open it, like, you realize it's just a bunch of crap that you don't need. It's like, oh, come on, what the shit? Alright.